So here's the setup anyway. We've got the table because there's no adjustment here. I've had to play like this is a knee and bring this up. I brought it up until it's in contact with this, and then as I was setting or tightening it back down, it slipped down ever so slightly, so there is clearance under there. The part is jacked up on one of these little T adapters. You can see a piece of it there, and you can see a piece here and another piece. You know, it's just one of these ones you'd use to, they're called mending plates. So shall we do some cutting and see what we get? This is actually the first time I'll be making milling type chips on this machine in a real sense. Sorry about bumping that. And again, the whole idea here is to make a flat to put the screw head into. I think that'll be a big enough flat area, don't you? That didn't do too bad when it was in